Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to see someone's most recent followers on Instagram. So for that, we have to go to our Instagram app. You can do this also on your browser. You just have to log in there with your username and password. So here we are on our app. We just have to go and search for the person we want to see their followers, their more recent followers. So I will choose this account, Ali and John. Click on the number of followers. And here at the top of the list, you will see their most recent followers. And at the bottom, you will see the oldest followers of this person. So that's it, guys. It's really simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can comment down below. And you can also like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.